Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Omugusi.
Happy New Month omwanchi omurigereria tarike ya moyo mutienyi o gatano na kabere omwaka rw'ebichi bibere na mirongo ebere nene no kwegena ritwore uri abere ritwore keimana mono kwa abere gokwegokya asoko bwatemirobero ya Ndizi TV
nyorabigona matuko abere okanyare ko bagagoeta magiga yobochori bwa aba directors bekemeri yecha echinga kyababwatani bagenda ko babakubwatuka ebirengererio byako kubwatikana no bochori bunobo
ne chinga kibegotoro chabuna babwatani nabayiga barayi bagendere tuwesoke na kusanga ebirengerere byabo akubwatikana mono no gochererwa kwegati abantu abo barenge kurobekana naboyigo egati abarayi ginto bagenderete kugikeria kegima
ayo mwancho murengati yanda mange to kwariganete ime yemanye Jumatatu
kore ritangani kegima tgatranyore gati yarto kwariganete asenchera ere yubinge
wetu unafaa kuandika watoto wetu katika hospitali
bange gosangirire kurwa saba Kenya nyare ko bage goikiranie meroberi yamagendro nyare ko baga kwenekyo mo bunge okitutu chache South Anthony Kibagende
Tatabatya balimu baito bali in the service obwalimu bwakongire
abali mukobori wakubwatirana mo nabayibori ali gokinia kerengo gechisemi meyorogongorwa gusi
kiagera abana siasa be county ya Ujaka mo governor mo deputy governor mo MP
aba director bekemerie chae kuri factory ya Gianchore kubori abana siasa gotesona ni amono bochori bonde bwonsi bwekemerie chae ayamona yande amango mwanchumo oligiretu kwaligania nyare ko bagosanga amona intwe kuromuchakano goikero mweli nyarabigana buko yabwatia wetera senchera ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital
asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bigase website yeto na buko yasomo wetera www.ndizitv.net elio togendere gusanga sobwamo
Lydia Mose na toko batanera kweneke ngago chere wetera somuno we manyerete ngoro kwa Josephat Amesi
Eliane Evelyn Osero nuri kweneke chipicha nerio gicha wikera senchera ya bene nigakuru kwa Sara mumanyi to kwariganyo beko gusanga na ndu ikomoerio
ya Jumatatu entangani kegima yo motenyo ikomi goso motenyo gatano na kabero mwanchumo ligererie manye Jumatatu ensayemo twechaka kurwase county ya kisiasa serikali nyale kwa bikoboligwa gotumeka buya chibese yegende to kwa gosangirire kurwa saba Kenya buna engere gosebango asekerenga yogoikirania egati ya magendro nemerobelio yogosira okomenya kwa bakenya imense ya Kenya
agukwa naso musangirikano bwa masabo ase kanisa ya Adventista ya Nyamataro Main omubungo kitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi nigo nonyana babiriga kugokero gutuguterware we finance bill iyo ateremna nigo yarenge go chakoba egurube enene asaba Kenya asagendete kurokubore go cyasomura iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kwenekia bunango ikiraniare gatichira cyokoreta magendro imense ya Kenya
omuliki oito di ponasanya nanyara ko bagosanga amo nomoro belina gutwariganiria horobatiro kubatia
sisi tunaomba kanisa liweze kusimama liweze kuombea nchi hii tuweze kuwa na mafikira mazuri tuweze kubadilisha uongozi wa nchi hii
eken nekerero kurwa segati yabarai nabamenyi borogongo rwa gusin nigo bono babere bakogokera gati yobokorerio buya kurwa sababunge aneno mubungu kitutu jaje South Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi asibagote bangani gabeire nsemo y'abananchi na kubayegerera anene imeye bunge
Our member of parliament Bwana Honorable Anthony Kibagendi, we want to appreciate the work you're doing in our constituency and more so we want to appreciate the stand you have taken to be in the side of the people. Na sisi kama viongozi wa eneo hili, especially Kitutu Central Ward, mahali sisi tuko leo, tukishirikiana na MCA wangu hapa, tunataka kushikilia mjumbe wetu, tuwe his pillars in this area. Wewe sukuma maneno, sisi kwa ground tutaambia watu ile wanapanga maneno.
Ikasho kora ni asindia. Ekaro kora asimbe, na oke kora ndi ngote bika kora asimbe. Yo bakabone kora chara asimbe biore. Na ke bikisimi akiko gotokia, ngabate binga ki omoto kora asimbe sebo era moni acha kora mbia. Na bakome one abo bakaribo.
gukwana asogusangereria gwe kanisa imeye ward ya Kitutu Central omubunge Anthony Kibagendi nigabeire gakuboria serikali ebeke gutumika buya ebango kurwa sabana inchi.
Ushuru wetu unafaa kuandika watoto wetu katika hospitali, wawe walimu, wawe engineers. Kazi hizo zimekosa. Tufungue industries ziweze kusaidia watu wetu. President anasukuma, unapata anachukua mtu mmoja anatengeneza simiti na chuma, anamweka kwa mfuko, huyo ndio ajenda yake, anasukuma, anakanyagia wanabiashara wengine. We sincerely need to transform our country. Na mimi nashukuru wananchi, ile pressure mliweka, hata kama ni kwa Facebook, kwa Instagram, kwa X ama Twitter, na wale waliweza kuondoka kwa maandamano, tunawashukuru sana. Nyinyi ndio mlifanya president huyu Zakayo aweze kufanya nini?
Omurembe ngati y'ebintense ya Kenya erigetie anena sechinga kyechiga ekiombe ky'abasaiga Genzis kigenderete kurobekana kubotekana nogokonga kubugima.
Abana baito kire kuna bai abai guri babo. Yewe tako bade opposite. Abana nabo bante kutindeka bai guri. Tari abai guri batindeka abana. Ona mangana yale neonya tribia. Kanisa sabera nse yake.
Chinga kyecho omubunge Anthony Kibagendi nigabeire gakuboria baibuli babe bakubwaterana libanyale kwenekenga abana banyorire chisemi asencherengia.
Watoto najua wanaenda university mwezi wa 8, mwezi wa 9, the new entrance. Ninaomba wazazi kwanza tujaribu kuweka application ile ya higher education loans, mtoto aweze kusomeshwa na hiyo loan, na baadaye from January we will start supporting them with a bursary. Na pia kero kule nimemuona na wogoteba kero we will try and share with those that are joining the university.
Hinko ripoti ya kitaseni kia onambe ya Mokiandizi TV kurua ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South imeye kaunti ya Kisii iliterene nkuru kwa Dipon Asanya.
Mbia mano murigeito Dipon Asanya se oroboti orurukirana utogosikabosio nigo abaiboli bagenderete gosemwa kwenekya munango bwaterana bare n'abarimu eriogokinia chisemi ase chisukuru na nigabakago kwanwa chinga kichomuyega abwo kubekerwa egutwa yo kugenda umutima koyo kabero mukonyi bo mwalimu omunene abwe skuru ya Eronge DOK Charles Nyakoe.
Okwana boigo monyakerogo bwa ikombekeria kia barimu kiana tiro sagerwa masaba Joseph Oranda tuti niganyarira ko baga kuboria batenende be skuru gose chi sponsor batige gwesonania amono botenene libwa botambo bwe skuru na kwena na libaga barimu banene banyara ko bagwikirania emeroberi ya botamba ase chi skuru ase boigo nyareko bakoboria baiboli banyara ko bagosegeta bana babakwerikie liko imoke chikosi chiria chobobundia
Chinga kichiboigo nigo abarimu ba junior secondary babere bakubolwa kwenekya bunango igwera bare okoragwa we serikali eriwetanga korwase okwenyora ase egesusuro.
Umuriki oito Paul Kapokara naikira na somo yego yina gutwariganira batiro kubatia
gagukwana ase omuyega bwo kumakira okwaherio mwalimu Nyakoe kurwase skuru yiga nigo agendere ko bagakuboria baibuli kubwaterana mo n'abarimu bunenchereye mu yokusira chisukuru asaburira abarimu gukora emirimo yabo bwikirano
egendo ndate batebya abarimu baito bari in the service ubarimu bwakongire ande mono ndate goteba iga because of the new system we are ready to adjust togenda ndate kuyirigelinga kia gukora kinga kia kogenda ande gendo gyo kandate gotebya abarimu ngelinga ki amasese ni bwarions piora anyore igara rue asega sieri ya ora be gokorera abana banyasaye na skuru ende yonse gokora buya kuna lazima tobe negento gikurukwa oboererani obuya kurwa survival abalimu naba unabona abantu mbanarete nga mwana one nakweke boko kwamnyoka gochikoti abande tuage twe biboko no torantura kuntukweti karumonda wako mwana ke boko tali amoita
atuti bwigo nigagendera ko bwagosemega sakukyo mugusi kwene kibunango somya bali abana ili gwekonya samatukabo alebosyo asasegetira ali bakole chisukuru kwebwatanya mu nechisukuru chobubundia nenjire yemu yokwenya ubumanyi burabakonye asubugi mu bwiga
mu understand bu yasana nga malimo takada diki tayo chisemi na cyoko umwana anagotara nakyo naenda abana bali baito bali isiko bakorete form 4 na class 8 batabwatigasi bagokora basoe polytechnic youth polytechnics are there basoe village boy basoe national polytechnic egere baso mirimo ya magoko egere bacha gotokonya
igobiga kwanire gorje chi sponsors chiskuru asabaganirie konyara ko baba gweotora na kurwase ogoturana chisukuru kulinde kurwa moroke lyarire chiskuru chigago kinamo nabana kwenyorera chimbwa chingiya igo aganirie abalimu kwegwa libagali ogosomya skuru ende yonsi
sponsors you are interfering with the schools asenge into totally komina na nainwe ntagete moenda masome the Education Act, the role of the sponsor. The role of the sponsor, it is about molding these young children very chisukuru spiritually. But you are not there kwenda kuliki chibesa. To yoko genda ote beninje ntagete ko butole meteye ngoni nkore kintete gukora. No, mwalimu ta yobwata certificate iri akolete college iri kire SDA, iri kire Catholic, iri kire PH. And that is why they are supposed to teach any school in the country, as long as the atmosphere is good. Na ndonye mokora muta itikoza balimu abatobaete mubatageti teba tobarusia yole taba bali yokoreteki bali be sponsor tolengo sunu isenia balimu bali yora isenia ase school igosoma. Otherwise abantu baito tigatumanye chisemina kyo the key to anything tokore uneta keire
omweli oye nigakwanira igoro ya balimu bali aba junior secondary asatebire gotiga kungainwa elio gweotora no kurwa sege susuro ekyo serikali rabaseko barambulire kyara yintukira abairere gucandika samatuko amange na kubure ko babatweraru kebintu bigendrete kuruberigwa
muandamana tokabatebitiga mandamana aya ngo butumule mukangainwa abande bachireka kero mwaturoje toje tali ase mwarenge tokobatenga gakira na gujijisukuru ngoli kumure mukwatwogera iliogi lakini bali bayiwete bakari kamarube abology pospi asabantu 10,700 bali baetwa marube so course letters abalimu 742 baroba gata barobna basaja bono iga chisekura chiri chisukuru chikote badusubwe tamtebo barora bayibuli bawo and you know once kwa read register ya TSC talilaisira ne kobo mwalimu
ginko reporter getaseni kya bwanjete kya Ndize TV kuruge Gastin Semechiga cha Masaba North ibeye county ya Nyamira inchego nkuruko Polycarp okara
Miamano muriketo Polycarp Karase orobo tiururikiranu magagayo bochori bwa director bekemeriye chase factory ago korekana anigo bona bari mikorwa sezoni ya Masaba bari no mogoko magagayo kumonyora umu director mu yase factory ya Kyamukama asereta James Nyakawa kwa mesa oyo banyartota nigo arachiko bakonya ase okubakorera magendro amaya ase factory yo
ukona nigo ababwatani bekemeri ekyogie cyane ne abalemi ko bakoerera gati ya magani abo asba muganiri omo director yenyare ko bagakwene kiabuno nyare ko bakwira ebirero bya balemi gati yabo okonyorwa ko gopimwa wecha ase chitundu bali nabo igo kwimokia kerengo gie bona asi kyukira ko bakwene kia bona balemi banyare ko bakwegerera sobogimo bwa bakali tukongo tomonye muri kyo itomirire mu manyi
Kobono bali babwete chikura chobo director bwechaye bagendrete gucengera obubuyi bwabo nigo boigo James kwa mesa Nyakagwa kurwa ezoni ya Masaba boigo agokerete obubuyi bwaye ase akirembuya gucyase abalimi asoko mochora elyogo cyakubakonya asenseme yoyo bulimi bwechaye
bwetanya matukande siasa yakiru esabawe yarengesi nini ina kiyo montakuruka kana kora kende kaduke project yeyo monto kidrene nyasago nyasago nabe project ya mwa gitawa gaka gusa bosi again chikura 582 against 312 so lene na yale ngesegi lakini ndese yengi
abalimi benseme yo nigo baganirie achie goikerania amagendero ao ase sekte yo
sa oinyore ngakeri kia ruseti abande nayo kebwata bakongu nando kerigererie egende kebetwagike irbu nabaremi tokombo acha ya muremi onde nibatora baba sombe miaka yonsi orra abana bataka otomentere mete ometerie chae tosimeke ekere twasimekire tonyoro burayo buya nanda abana baito basome kwamesorigereria abantu bonsi nonyamba libatarenga asore
watebire ndiya mono egendo kende dala kitabana kwa chiroro origelikero molemi bunakoriro kodra kwa ebocha asore obuyo ntwagatebye olenterekero yomo nonyambori bwa kilo 55 otorentere bali babwate shaenge na baro banyore
egasi yakoreketa soko choro mu direct kwa mese yare ngendito naende to kwa kampu ya mono esoni yeto konyora ya tinire konya ya beru no kororo rutichete eya bono nesinga ya chete to kurubolera esoni yeito bono ne chikonyora magendero yekora konyora ya gotire mono igo to gosaba nande kwa kera bali mimpu ya mono bali bachete kolende asibali bali bwata mangane chisegi etoko sabamba basaba korabo igo botambe bamanyana magendero no burai bwomoremi
nigo aenekirie gochia korenta esako ya barimi asatebire ase chizoni chonsi kya mukamanero yoka etabwati esako na igone chiego konya abarimi
esako kya mukamana most of the time zetu tumego tumega na siongo business point kwa tumia achievers kunyamaji so toko enda mali kusaba na comments kasi kana kana asa mo yugo wanje tabamo tabelibo elimu toko nyomulemi ukiamukamati factory and more so iyo kasaba son
sechinga checho nigo aine kiabuna taligo chakurusi onde bwensi senchira yo kubabuta abalibara ase egasi yo kolende na chekuligereria enchira yo kubanyorera emeremo abasae bande kurwa ase sekte yo
munango kore litu keli kina mamna mambiende kuikamba talere bateba kwira mate I think a policy reforms yake budget jirikwala once kwa rule system na ndira system jirikwala because ya bana mbale siko onya na soire gas mo wikana anya na 3 years na kana ta after 3 years tingo sabana ni ngati rukura yonda sa ko jikura joma nyane na performance yani means this abana mbale batana go so company batana ko yara kende iva yata chance wikanga however a warning yari ga precaution oyo mo bari go so ari kurusiwa urunga ruseti bali nera rusi abage injegende tikibwati igento mbwate abana baba batera baba yantemeremo banarire sukari banarire nisikujigia sokara magose indakara mosa
reporter ya egetaseni kyandize TV ile taliane Mildred Momanyi
mbia mono murikito Mildred Momanya se robot yoruruke antogendera togotigara ase engane yoyo bochori baba director be Kemerie chae anigo ababwatani korwa se sector ye Kemerie kyo bagendera gusanga birengera byabo anene korwa se county ya Nyamira nigo bali bare kwa mereri aba bakorokia ogo isaneka asense moyende bimurunganiria ogo skiwa bosyo kweritko yo wakachikura
bakwana korwa se factory ye chae gianchole nigo boigaba bwatani ko bakomochia egati abana siasa me county Nyamira asogo esona nya amone chikura chobo choribo ba director bechae asebate bire nigo bwenete ko bakobeke birengere bya bakwanike abanyare ko bawikirania echira chia magendri me county Nyamira gutomanya umurikito job mangi
Maega yobo choli bwa balimi ase Kemerie chae kwariani wa weekend ya eta nigo bali kwamereria ase kirokyo bo director bagenda chekurwa ebirengereri byabo igoro yobo choli obwo
magana oba choli bwari ngiraisi bwari ngobokong
yolende na baranga mbwari free and fair because kera yomuna watu usuri bo chora umurayolia aralia matunda
de umunyakirogo ase factory ya Gyanchore Thomas Nyandieka omu director ase factory ya matunda makore na boigo Joseph Anchoki nigo baba kwiraniria abalimi mbya mono asoko bachora ase ntunda yende yoburai
yani I'm excited on what yani ndinga ngikia kolekana kiagera nawo jortu abere tokuganya naende ekerumuntaga nyitege ntono bokonyoranga anxiety kobero
nonya nigo mbaba gukwanira egati amakungu babeire bagwetera anene mono ogosukiwa obosio kwobochori obwo kuri tukori juma gotia ase amatuko ye weekend engane abatege kwirera omubaro omoke bw'abalimi gwesokia
irene mbwa the challenges no one asenkurwa seita sakuru stronger. The majority of residents yobara wa SDA nanye Malindi na wa SDA barabange. So those staunch SDAs back to work Chikura because of the beliefs.
Ulimi aragocha. Onya abande mbanyo rutacha eso ulimi kulia lengane sauti yao lakini kulingana na ile chiko ya IPC mbale gutenia bochori. So ulimi makatasi ya nyorutugoro enda ngacha mbale gutenia ende yakoba mubi.
Boigo engana baba gwichanira na kugikiria ni gati abana siasa goswana na gati ase obochori obwo engane abete kubachinga kichinkongu chinga kibale kwe one gotia ase abalemi
ikiagera abana siasa be county ya Igochake mo governor mo deputy governor mo MP mpaka mo MCO township aba interviewete no bochori bo director ikolende kibesa kiria kibweneta okarama interest accounts chikonya wananchi mnaona kinyagitani jibwati mali yogochi barabara ijiri na battery situation ne binde abakirete bayotiringa so amagana campaign ngotaka bateba etabiye yotigeti mara moja
mbaba gosaba okubwaterana n'abalemi linda kwena kingo kigwikira ni bale chira babeire bakobaliera
ase gotwatembuye muno umulimi ko kana gotore ni semirime yinga alise kwenye akini umulimi to mwikina kwana kwenye to mwike pona statuwa nto momento chiuro no musawo mutilimbu mutoramente and okini
romo director and yo chori bono enda ite wakira bali mane mbiyamano bawe simurango asoko ngari ngari yakabere ngoje kubakorera gas inde tayari kubakorera na inde ninkora bya muna nakorete myaka tate yaende
Gingo reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Valina soroboti ruwa bange bagotanga mbaisa negete nabande boigo bagesoke bakemurungania litangani pia sogo sukiwa mutwe kweli tukorio bochoria bange bagotanga tiba bwate roboti ronde rwensi rokwendekinga chikura gochikoba gokoro challenge litukure Jumamosi
na ndo sikurigererio bochikura gokora kana litukure Jumamosi mnorogongoro gusintumeta abantu mubaro munene bwa abantu ngogenda bari kanisa litukure Jumamosi akero kende bantu bange tiveso getie waka chikurechi asengencha bange babone ko bachite kanisa akorende ase bali bayirire nukwegena munamba chie agokora emirimo ebwenera tayogoskia yose kinia ekemeri yechae nabo igokoreta magendero ase chief factory mwancho muri etogoska bosio bunenchire ya moyo gosira basaye kwenyorera amabaga ase chisechisko ase nchire ya moyo kwenyorera engeria na wekinia nigo muchumbo nyari bari chache Zahiri Janda abeirega kubeka SAE owekonda asabanto chimisano abarachikogenda sense ya Qatar eriyo kwerigeria engeria
ukona litkoria lero ase abisi ya yira somoche o asomocho kyombo nigo zaili boiganya ko bakwenekia oyongati yemeroberio ayara nyare ko baga ko babekera abasa boigo ni ganyara ko bakolira ngana chiko bakobwaterana amone serikali ene na somoroberio bokoena na emeremo hocha seka goli kia basaili banyara ko bakweganira sobo ngwa bakira litko.
Secondly, there's this program that we have for Qatar. Initially we took about 16 people to Qatar ambaye tulipata nafasi wanafanya kazi ya bodaboda huko. Sasa tumepata nafasi ya kupeleka watu Qatar karibu ya watu ya zaidi ya 1000. Watu walifanya application karibu watu 800. I think medical tests zimefanywa. They have already signed contracts over 500 people from my constituency in Nyaribari Chache. They have already signed the contracts. So wataenda kazi ya airport, kazi ya kufanya katika mashule, kazi ya quite a number of different jobs. So it's a good opportunity that I have extended to the people of Nyaribari Chache so that watu wangu waende huko waanze maisha yao, waanze kujisaidia ili waweze kusaidia pia familia zao na watu wao. Arrangement between a private company in Qatar na mimi kama mjumbe wa Nyaribari Chache ndio ninashughulika, na pia kuna serikali pia imetupa nafasi kidogo. Kwa hivyo tunasaidiana na serikali yetu, na vile umesikia rais akitangaza kwamba kuna watu ambao watakuwa wanaenda Canada, watu ambao watakuwa wanaenda Saudi Arabia kufanya kazi ya hospitali. Hivi karibuni pia serikali imesign mkataba na we've had some bilateral agreements between Kenya government and also kuna nafasi nyingine tunatarajia kupeleka watu drivers watende nchi ya Poland. Nilikuwa not Poland, Ireland. Nilikuwa huko na speaker wetu wa bunge. Kwa hivyo kuna hizo nafasi ambazo zinakuja. Kwa hivyo tutatafuta watu wetu kutoka Nyaribari Chache ambao wanaweza kwenda Ireland huko Dublin waende waanze maisha.
Totikana na roboti urumwanchu murigiria turigeria liegende tukaba korekana iskoro gongoru agusi ni goli tukoria lero monachi ebino monene madakome anyareko bagwecokia na komochia egekosi kia banyanyimbo kubatekana no gutumia chinguru chetaneti ekerengo chinga kibali go baba guturania abasai bali banyarako baba korobekana niga yakona litukoria lero asekigambero kia milimani chinga kenyarako baga koarigania abandi boget abaya hasechia bisichabo ao
gokwana baigo komeni gateba bunese mu yebigambiro tibali go chia wancha engana bunejo kogendera kwenekiwe meyense ya Kenya asimona baga kugikiria ogocherero kwegati yabasaye abubesogetire okora ukorobekana kurera ubusubure bwabo na baigo egati yabarai na oteba nengana baganitie ebeke gwika omwerio rimorioka.
We cannot, for us judges and judicial officers, envisage anybody taking law into their own hands and taking away a life. Life is precious. It should always be preserved. Even if somebody is caught stealing or committing the worst form of a crime, they must be arrested and processed according to the law. We should not witness cases of excessive use of force that threaten the lives of peaceful and unharmed protesters. I therefore condemn the excessive use
Tonogo semberio mayeteke gambero ntwarora kiombekeria kia Law Society of Kenya boyoge gwesokia na boigo ndoje judiciary yasokire ndore no gosembere ngobo tukibwa bwangu mbonyara ko bokwene kibwa abanyanyimbo bali batumete chinguru getanekere ngo abekubiara togos kamotwe nigo abarayikurwa sobomo bwazimio bakora gwanere Kalonzo Musyo kedweni Sifuna Eugene Wamalwa gati abande banyaleko babagwesokia na koyemochia serikali kubwatekana nogo chererwa koyo kabire omubunge bwe constituency ya Nandi Hills Alfred Ketel ukukwanyate kobo kwene kiwali tukolia igoro asensemo ya Lavington ime county ya Nairobi
gukwana chinga kiechonigo abaraya bo babeire bagoteba bunekine getambukiro getarengekia anene ekeroketere betga gochererwa busyo bwe amate yaye anene asabana na komochumura iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ase egetambukirikyo nigo korengana barabo batebire buna negetambukire kirenge bwenete kubwatiwa achinga kyo montakageire gotwara amamocho natali gochererwa andonsi asaba muganire boigo Ruto kwenekia bunango ikiraniare chira chaye ase abakenya yonse nechingaki baikirana bosyo bwetia bisi cha DCI eliyo kurikia oroboti kubatkana negetambukirikyo.
We have made two requests as the leadership of Azimio here led by His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. Number one, we are aware that there are still a number of Kenyans, very many Kenyans who are still missing. When we have asked the DCI officers here, they have told us that it is not them who took these people. So, despite the promises that were made by Ruto during the campaign, he is still maintaining police hit squads, people who are not even known to the police. And they are the ones conducting these abductions. At least for Alfred Keter, there were people there to film it. And that is why he is still safe here. As a father, I would never wish what happened to Alfred Keter to happen to any one of us who have children. That I'm taken away kicking and screaming in front of my own kids. Those kids are traumatized for life because nobody wants to see that happening to their parent. The second request we have made to the DCI is that if there is any leader in Azimio, any one of us who they need to see or talk to or to speak to, or to, if you have any issue with any one of us, we are available at very short notice. There is no need to go and break down Honorable Babu Owino's door at home when his wife and children are there.
He refused to address the single most important issue, which was cost of living at Bomas through the NADCO process. Now he cannot hide behind another multisectoral forum to diffuse the situation in the country. Let him engage the Gen Z that he didn't engage, that he promised to engage, but he should not hide behind the military. Let him remove the military from our streets and engage Kenyans. Let him not hide behind the police. Let him remove the police and actually engage the Kenyans and address the right issues. That's what we want to urge him, and to say pole once again to our friend Natuko Pamoja.
I only would want to ask the president to look at Kenyans in the eye and tell us how he would have reacted if his own children were treated the way Honorable Keter's children were treated.
Togo tigana na roboti ururu rwazimio nigo ebyombe biko egero bwene bomanya bantu benyereko bigweso kina kumubolia Moraibense Daktari William Ruto kubeka chingaki nabo igogo tegerera ebirero byaba Kenya gatiabo ekegori egekekiaba sae ikyo kegendete kobage korobe kana nigo achire magega ya ekyombe kyo kiaba sae weso kiase wiki yakabere bono eliokwe murunganeria anene gotaikirani wagati echira cha magendro imense ya Kenya
akokwa na ime muchonero biniga babwatani korwase ebyombe byo baigo babere bakugani bikore byabantu twa batabwati momocho ogochererwa egatie bikora binde binke gwika omwerio asebagali baganirie bali bonse babere bakubeko byara kubwatikana no kuropekana babe bakubwato kwa rimorioka.
It is decisive executive action, not a state-led national conversation, that will restore this generation's faith in the Kenyan state. It will bring back confidence in our constitution and governance institutions. It will create a nation that is united and driven by our constitutional values.
The National Police Service must stop criminalizing and profiling protesters and cease using camouflaged, non-uniformed officers and unmarked cars with concealed license plates.
All those who have been abducted to be released. If not, we are going to file contempt of court, and to those specific people who have deflected from those orders.
We are going to sue Inspector General of Police in line with the law so that journalists do not become victims of police brutality. We know very well that Geneva Convention says that journalists in such circumstances are supposed to be given safe corridors and protected by police instead of being attacked by the police.
Oligeria horoboti oru na ruro gotoira omoti mukomotanga nimeye manye Jumatatu ense ya moya bono mugoroba inga kitogo swa sensemo ya kabere studio
nigo tramanyore Victor Sultani obanya tumanye nara ya twariganire timeye manye chigo sori to basaguskare.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomogusi omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yeito yonsi chinsemero ngeberenenge bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiota gitutumanye asubwango mono abonda isi reke nambeye asesimiao enoti sano na ibire inya isatu isano nemu ibire isatu isano na isatu isano na ibire eyemo elioto akire nabasaki baito baikasuri na kubeko roboti ubwo asembeo emesa ya mangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwa bekire simu yao ime
Naisiko yorogongo rwagusi abasubati nabange bakora emeremo eri kageire kobanero eyabasacha
Konya mataro musojo kaende musojo
nigo turatarira abasubati abaiga eri kumanya ninki gekogera bakora emeremo yiga eyo kageire kobana eyabasacha umera na nche Dorcas kemuma asomo rebo mukungustengo eri nkomanye amange kirali tukoria Jumatatu jinsa ibere chama baba ya Ndizi TV editumumanye omukungustengo ningo
womukungustengo Jumatatu chinsa ibere chabutuko na Dorcas kemuma
y'umwanju w'egetasini kya Ndizi TV nabo gutubwate gwitira senjera y'umutandao ya www.ndizitv.net iri guturigirira na boigo usonje mirubiri yitwa chinsemero 24 nyaranka nabo gusonje gwitira sesimi yawe yakoboko laptop smart TV iriyo wegoke Ndizi TV obwanso bw'umugusi.
Ota Studios
ugochaka omotinyo yiga omatano na kabere imbe ya Ndizi TV Chisegi Omoroge Esisano
Makora makoka mamu kwetu tupata musiki
naenda mambi ye mna toko baka mambiga tigandoro kenanga nanje kenanke monto ke gwetansa igandoro senga bare moyo
Omwanchani Omwando
umetenye metale hansi tine igana yo nyera to mukungu wacheta kare
Nikera litukuri Jumatatu gweka Ijumaa chinsebere nenusu chabutuko Omwando Mechi Maboru
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwanchumbuligeria ngo kwa yone nende ase emanye chigosori anene amagiga yo kwenyora kura sensemo yemanye Jumatatu litarene Victor Sultano bangi karanso ikenko menyina aliya agendetse kura sebiti au ayemanye chigosori umugorobolero tuyachake kura segeti gose asorongorwa gusi abwase kiombe ya Kenya Secondary School Sports Association gia eraire ogoisanika kwabona maliganyo ye county ya Kisii gochikwaligania ensemo ya regionals usinyanza regional sports ye kiombe kyogia kesa magayo gotalira ebiti au ngamo negeti ligia Kisii School egeti kia Cardinal tunga mosocho nabo igo egeti kia Gusii Stadium nigo abagwatanya bo bayirairo wisano kukunga orogongorwa Gusii gose county ya Kisii yariganiriye bwikirano bosio bwamayamerania ayo muri kito captain 001 Demo Steven na ikasenseme yona utaliganiriya horobotero kugwatia
aba bwatani korwa se kiombe gya Kenya Secondary School Sports Association korwa sorgongo rwa Nyanza nigo baro tutegetie kemogo ikekende egeti gya Kisii School Cardinal Otunga Mosocho amonegeti kya Gusii Stadium bosiwe chigosoli cha secondary astegeti kya Gusii Stadium nigaba bwatani abo bakere koko amonchori abeira segeti kya Gusii Stadium korwa entunda ya mweri barenga segeti ekyo asebakere koko serikali ye county ya Kisii insiyo mugavana Paul Simbarati asoko ene kyabuna amonchiri aganira segeti kya Gusii Stadium na agendererete
na ripoti yetu kwa upesi ni kwamba the preparation is okay, the fields are good. Hata hii hapa Kisii Stadium tunaona inaenda vizuri. Tuna imani na local organizing committee kwamba by the time tunacheza kiwanja itakuwa safi. Otherwise tumeona viwanja ni mzuri, tumefurahia. Tunaomba tu tujitayarishe vizuri ili tukue na michezo ambazo zitakuwa za furaha.
We have put a lot of energy in ensuring that this pitch is one that is going to be used, especially in addressing the finals. I hope you don't have an option for finals except the pitch where we are, and that's why we are putting on day and night. The people who work here in shifts at night, if you could come here, you could see water spraying on. That is why here it's still damp.
Serikali ye county ya Kisii niwe yatebire burane bwatirana mone kiombe gya Kenya Secondary School Sports Association kwene kyabuna chigosoli kiraba se county ya Kisii ase kerengo kya Nyanza region amona national sa kerengo gya secondary inchebe chyobo twero rasabatere namba ine kibuno morembe no ba se county ya Kisii.
But I want to say that as a county we are prepared. The governor gave his undertaking that he will make the pitch available, and we are aware we have young boys, the Gen Zs in secondary school. and sometimes tempers may go high, as the Sec-Gen has said. So this, we will make arrangement with the Kenya Police and the commander to even provide more security. But I could pray and wish that one of the pools which you are marking to be in either Kisii School and in Cardinal is made here, if you feel that the pitch is it will help in acclimatizing the young lads to the pitch to be used in the finals. But having said that, you are always welcome to Kisii, and we are hoping that with the time you will see more fruits with his leadership, His Excellency Paul Simbarat.
We thank the county government for what they are doing. They have really tried. We saw this stadia 2 months ago, and right now I want to say it is wonderful. They are doing a great job. And I also want to say and thank the office that if given an opportunity, we would wish to use this stadia in a proper way. We need a lot of security in secondary school games, and we believe that this is one of the places we can be able to get the security.
Ekiombe gia Kenya Secondary School Sports Association mbabwato barembu na chitie muchira soro gongo rwa Nyanza chinyare ko bachikogosori buye kerengo kya regionals na chirichira agenda sensemo ya nationals nchive chigoreto bwamererio bonene ekerenge ekyo.
As for now, we are preparing for the regional championship, and we believe that things are going to be well. The teams are prepared from the counties, and I know everybody is prepared, and they would want to watch and see who is now taking us up to the nationals. We are preparing very good teams for this time, and we believe that we are going to have the national trophy remaining in Nyanza.
Chigosori chekerengo kia Nyanza regionals ngo kirabase county ya Kisii kuru chitariki kianda gwika 13 cyomotie nyoyo abwa sendeze TVMS chigosori turane kibuna ntugo bwatiri chigosori echi na gukwenekeria lyonse aragandere ase TV byonse bitatu ko reporteria Ndizi TV veteranende mo Steven Captain 001.
Mwanchimuli utigana na iyo ya chigosori chikuru chisekondari to so ase ligi ya National Super League ase round ya mirongo 35 ne yo moelio ya ligi ya National Super League timu ya Gusii FC ni go ya koletene chinguru ase okoyebwa timu ya Kajiado chigolibere ase ligi na isegero nonyana mo timu chonsibere ni go chegetigwe ligi ase gosema gayo gokora ase libagari 19 ine timu ya Gusii FC ya koletene chitali ne point mirongo ibere na isano isatu chingakia timu ya Kajiado ya koleta seri bagali 15 na gatatu na point mirongo 34.
Jina naitwa Calvin Suchieng. Hii game ya leo tumeicheza mzuri. Vijana wamejaribu kujituma na tumeweza kupata points 3 kwa goals 2. Tactically kwa first half vijana walianza wakiwa chini. Spaces wako wanatumia vizuri, then after second half tukiongelesha, then tukirudi wamejaribu capitalize spaces na wamejaribu kuutilize hiyo chance yenye wamepata na wamepata hizo bao 2. Nimelana lot kwa hii msimu. Tumeona venye vitu ziko, lakini changamoto tumekuwa nazo mingi. Otherwise team ingekuwa mzuri, but despite hizo challenges tumekuwa nazo, imefanya tumeweza kufika mahali tumefika. Ingawa tumeshuka, si mwisho wa Gusii, itaendelea kuwa.
Mwanchimuli yotegana na yoto so ase ligi ya Mozart Bet Cup abwa se timu ya Police Sacco bono gose Police Sacco FC bono na bwa banyankongo be ligi yo ya Police Sacco ose ligi yo ya Mozart Bet Cup polisi akonigo bairete egakombe kyo urikorero na kwebekera na kwebwera chishilingi chimilioni 2 maga yogo baikora etimu ya KCB asense mo yechi penalty nyoranga etimu ya KCB nigo yabasokya etimu ya Kariobangi Sharks sechi semifinali maga yokorwa makaligolyemo asemo na maga yaye bosoka na kubwa sense mo yechi penalty bo etimu ya polisako nigo bono yebwereire chishilingi chimilioni 2 weteraso bwo ubwege kombe kyo kia Mozart Bet Cup. Uyana yoto so asege kombe gia Kosafa Cup kikendate imense ya South Africa etimu ya Harambee Stars nigo yekole tuichi golibere aserigina yesegero asibine byo bye kombe gia Kosafa ebyo bigendete asenseyo ya South Africa etimu ya Harambee Stars nigo bono barachiego timanane timu ya Zimbabwe chinga kiba koligiri bagalyo kugendera koba ase elige yo ya gose asibine byo via Kosafa imense ya South Africa.
Communication needed to be spot on. It wasn't. Is that a penalty? Yes, sir. Well, they didn't get their communication right. A bit of confusion, a bit of doubt from Ochuoga, who's already on a yellow card, mind you, and trouble for the Kenyans. Now, is there going to be action against Ochuoga? He knows.
He knows.
He knows.
He's already putting the jersey over his head, covering himself with shame, because that's when the referee went for, he checked the number and he went for the left pocket, which had a red card. But how's that for sloppiness? When you're not under pressure at all, and then you get exposed.
There's a moment of doubt between me and Omondi, and I think Omondi's trying to communicate to him something. Don't know what he's saying, but that indecision, split second, allowed the opponent to take the ball away, and in desperation picks up his second yellow, committing the foul.
In their first game, they opened up with a penalty.
Yeah.
So in this case, it's the other way around.
The 10 men of Kenya will worry about that after they hope Omondi can deny Afane from the spot. Komoro's hoping, the man in your picture, gets them their first goal over the 2024 Hollywood Best Kosafa Cup.
Manchumulio nara inakualigenete korwa sensemo yemanye chigosori kuindendigerelie sensemo ya Facebook mbarari bagendete kutuligerelia Henry Ochoki daktari akoteba korwa Itivo City Kisi County niko ndani korwa Bitare Onchari Morenda suneka pamoja Ororo Master akoteba tuned hambarba ukwandira igoro ye drama series uchakalit kulia robo nyora ntobwate egosoli yokwegia yo mwando maiga yo ikomelyo gwegosoli elia yo moitongo oncho muliga to basako cha litkolia lero guchaka chinsa ibere nenus chabona mugoroba no egosoli yo era chikoba asenchera yo boikirano Endera kurigelia Ndizi TV na robo ansubombo gusingo tamboka SMND ye studio Josephat Amisi na Evelyn Osero egere bayakore asenchera yo wikerno tumerane chinsesato eridana ngoro kwa Victor Sultano Banyirmo Butambe ipo siku endelea kuzidishania.
Mwakone valinori buna ekaunti ya Kisii nechikwarigania ekeminano ekio kia Nyanza region anene chigosori chiskuru chisekondari ase rachikoba mugoko monene uchasaba bwatani onya bonchoreri kera chiskuru chonse chorogongo rwa Nyanza chiranyaka chiwikirana ime ekaunti ya Kisii
no kwigena bene na ugusira kwa bene ngo chikurwegwe asoko ene kia buna abagosori abaiga bachigokorya byase ebimina nebyo
mino wa timu elia ya CFC yenyere kuba yikwira na maiga kurwase kemina no kelia na gosowa sensemo ya division 1 ono nabo tole tobe komukiane na sensemo ya chigosori mwancho morigeria goikiragwo no tugikira omwario bwemanye Jumatatu ensemo ya bono mugoroba chinga kitonyara ko batuko bwaterana amona bariki baito bamwana mayako ruchisemo
nyora semero berionsi tonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube wetra Ndizi TV News
website yetu ya www.ndizitv.net na kubwatia ya amone mroberio Wagoli nyaraka wa kwene kia una chibi cha mrelu kichago chira senchire boikira unika kuru kwa Sara Mumanya litirane kuru kwa Josephat Amesi.
Iriane Evelyn Osero lida mosinere tobatira na sense moje manyererio twaro buligere libore obya asemero berio ekobwati Amesi. Kurinde nyora timeti Victor na kiatate yo mwancho muligere na litkoria rero ndobwato muroberio mujya kegima ya Ndizi TV.
Abanyaraka wako wanyulie na into sentundende toko batebenga chinsa ibere nenusu cherero botuko. Toainirie umuroberio ria wo mutongo.
One tobwate omwando.
Yono
mwancho muligere no muroberio omujya kegima ojogo chaka beneri tkoria rero no muroberio rabe gogokira kera rituko korwa Jumatatu kwekari tkoria Ijuma yendra kobwati kagetebuna nabo kwego kya no muroberio omujya kegima ono mwancho muligere yendra kobwati muroberio sia Ndizi TV tumirane chikoraga chinsa isato.